Hello everyone. Today I'm putting on a new control arm and I've got a new control arm bushing. I wanted to share a tip that I've learned over the years on how to get this bushing onto the control arm. And I found that Dawn dish detergent works the best for lubricant instead of grease or oil or whatever. And I believe for every control arm bushing you put on, you actually save 2 ducts. So put a lot on there. Be generous with it. All over. And you can actually get this started a little bit. Sometimes it'll just go right on. Boom. There it went. No problem. Now if you do have a really tight control arm bushing and it doesn't want to go on, you can use a ratchet strap. And the ratchet strap technique is basically you run it around the control arm back here where the inner ball joint is. Okay, and then you would hook it on one side and then hook it on the other like that, and then you would just ratchet until that bushing gets pulled on there. Okay, so Dawn dish detergent for the win today. Did not even have to use the ratchet strap.